Up first this evening, the Witness Protection Program is again under scrutiny. This after the case against the notorious Dexter Street gang was thrown out this week because the main witness, a former gang member, had disappeared. Now, at a sitting of the Joint Select Committee reviewing the anti-gang legislation today, Senior Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions, Jeremy Taylor, revealed that persons who have been charged or convicted, then turned state witness, are not likely to be protected under that program. TVJ's Vashon Brown has the details.
Lawmakers were reviewing the Criminal Justice Suppression of Criminal Organizations Act, better known as the anti-gang legislation. The Dexter Street gang case did not escape their attention. 19 members of the Westmoreland-based gang were set free this week. The case collapsed on Tuesday after the main witness failed to show up in court, forcing the prosecution to enter nolle prosequi. Committee members questioned why more was not done to protect the witness.
I'm not sure if that witness has been killed or by what means. And the whole question arises, why was that witness not protected adequately as a key witness in a major prosecution of a major gang?
Committee Chairman and National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang argued that in this particular case, the witness did not accept witness protection. He also pointed out that it is worth exploring whether the witness protection program needs to be more attractive.
I don't know if we need to look at how we operate the witness protection program to make it more attractive in association with plea bargaining. It may be worthwhile looking at it. It's not something where the legislator I expect, but some work has to be done in that area.
Senior Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions, Jeremy Taylor, suggested that there's a need for a review of the witness protection program.
It is only law-abiding people that the witness protection will take on. If you have a charge or if you're suspected of being charged, witness protection is not eager to take you on. In many cases, the police have had to find their own solutions, police to police, either here and abroad, in terms of protecting the witnesses outside of the formal witness protection system.
How you can have an entire gang matter turning on a single witness,
and you have
knowing the rules of evidence, knowing the procedure,
and
it collapses? No, sir.
He said this matter involved a collection of cold cases in the Westmoreland Police Division, several incidents in which nobody identified who the perpetrators were.
The only person who connected the persons to these incidents was the one witness, who was a former member of the gang. And if I recall my little reading of this file, had lost every family member to that gang, which is what motivated him to come forward to testify.
The National Security Minister says he takes the concerns raised seriously. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.